Have you ever had that rare occasion where you feel like your embroidery has gotten off, whether the hoop accidentally got bumped or you were here? I did this once with my students. I leaned over and the embroidery arm moved and it hit me, and so it bumped the embroidery off. You have a very easy way to recalibrate this machine without turning the machine off. So if something doesn't look right and you feel like you need to start over and get it to recalibrate, you don't have to turn the whole entire machine off. You only have to do this. Now, since I did stop it in the middle of an embroidery design, I am going to go ahead and touch the scissor button and just cut the thread. So that's going to also cut my bobbin thread. You can just go ahead and remove the hoop from the embroidery arm, and I'm going to just set it right here because eventually this is all going to come back and then I'm going to reattach this. So normally if you just turn the machine off, it will recalibrate. Here's the simple step. All you need to do is reach over to the side of the embroidery unit where you would normally put your hand underneath and disengage it, pull out, and push back in. So once you push it back in, you will hear and see the new message that comes up, and it says the embroidery arm needs to calibrate. Yay! Just go ahead, touch OK. That's going to reset everything. So super easy to reset. And watch, your embroidery design is right where you left off. So now all you need to do, maybe take out a few stitches if you feel like you just need to kind of start over. You're going to reattach the hoop to the embroidery arm and you'll be right back where you need to be. If necessary, you might just back up a few stitches just so you can overlap a few stitches. If you had to remove a few stitches, maybe you back up enough so you cover up what you had to take out, and then just go ahead and start the machine again. That is the simplest way to recalibrate the whole machine without having to turn it off. Now we have tons of free video tutorials on YouTube that you can watch and master your entire Pfaff Creative Icon 2. We're going to put links below where you can kind of binge watch from the beginning, and so you can master this machine from beginning to end. Every corner of this machine we are covering in these YouTube videos. Plus we have some online courses that you can check out, some free videos, and see if those courses are right for you. You'll also find those links down below in the description. I hope to see you in one of our online courses soon.